So Google Maps just got a major upgrade with 5 incredible AI features. The 3D magic of immersive view, personalized AI-powered search, smarter-than-ever navigation, the latest on EV charging stations, and the real-world insights of Lens in Maps. Each of these is changing how we navigate and explore. Let's start with the first feature, immersive view. Imagine being able to explore any place around the globe in a stunningly realistic 3D view as though you're actually there. That's what immersive view offers. You can see buildings, streets, landmarks, and even peek inside venues like restaurants and museums. What's more, it provides crucial information like weather, traffic, and how busy a place is, along with a time slider to see changes over the day. But how does Google Maps manage to create these lifelike 3D scenes? The secret lies in a technique known as neural radiance fields, or NERF. This process transforms regular photos into detailed 3D representations, capturing the essence of a place, including its lighting, material textures, and even background elements. This is made possible by utilizing billions of street view and aerial images that Google Maps has accumulated. The practical applications of immersive view are vast. Say you're planning a trip to a new city and want to familiarize yourself with the environment beforehand. You can virtually fly over the city with immersive view, spot key attractions, and get a sense of the area at different times. You can even virtually walk down streets, check out cafes and restaurants, or view landmarks from various perspectives. It's like having a personal tour guide in your pocket, but even better. Immersive view is currently available in major cities like London, Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, and Tokyo, and more cities will be added soon. Next, we have AI-powered search. This feature goes beyond the basic search function. It tailors suggestions based on your individual preferences and context, analyzing your location, search history, ratings, and likes. It even sifts through reviews and photos from other users to bring you relevant and useful information, including opening hours, ratings, prices, and menus. Whether you're indecisive about where to eat or looking for something specific like a vegan pizza place, AI-powered search presents you with options that align with your taste and budget, complete with detailed menus and ingredients. Moving on to the third feature, enhanced navigation. This improvement in Google Maps utilizes AI to offer more precise and useful directions for driving, biking, and walking. Key features include lane guidance, which helps you stay in the correct lane to avoid missing turns or exits, real-time traffic information to avoid delays, and live view, which uses augmented reality, AR, to overlay directions and information on your camera view, making navigation more intuitive. These AI-driven features process a massive amount of data, including GPS signals, satellite imagery, and user feedback, ensuring the most accurate and up-to-date navigation information. The fourth exciting addition is EV charging station information. As electric vehicles grow in popularity, the demand for easily accessible charging stations increases. Google Maps now provides detailed information on EV charging stations, including the number of charging ports, their types, availability, speed, and pricing. It also offers insights into nearby amenities like restrooms and cafes. By aggregating data from various sources and predicting the availability and demand for charging ports, this feature simplifies the process for EV owners, helping them find the best places to recharge their vehicles efficiently. Finally, we have Lens in Maps. This innovative feature transforms your camera view on Google Maps by integrating AI and augmented reality. Simply point your phone at a restaurant, and you'll see details like its name, rating, menu, and availability. It even allows you to make reservations or order food directly. Lens in Maps also works wonders with landmarks, providing information like history and trivia. This tool is especially helpful when exploring new cities, searching for specific places, or even when traveling abroad, as it can translate signs, menus, and labels in real time. So there you have it, 5 incredible AI features from Google Maps that are set to revolutionize how we explore and navigate. These features not only make travel more immersive, but also tailor the experience to your personal needs and preferences. Google Maps is no longer just a navigation app. It's an intelligent companion that enhances your exploration of the world.